Hello, my glow babies. I'm so excited you're here, ready to step into a world where makeup is more than just a routine. It's a celebration of who you are. Today, we're diving into the dazzling world of Euphoria makeup, where color, glitter, and self-expression rule. Imagine a place where your creativity can run wild, and every brush stroke is a chance to show off your unique personality. This isn't just eyeshadow, it's about painting your emotions for the world to see. Each color you choose, every shimmer you add, tells a story that's all your own. Forget the rules. Today, we're breaking them all and creating something magical. Euphoria makeup is about pushing boundaries and letting your imagination take center stage. Euphoria makeup is about freedom, bold colors, gems, and telling your story on your face. It's about embracing what makes you different and turning it into your superpower. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, the only rule is to have fun and be yourself. We'll explore bold eyeshadows, graphic liners, and of course, rhinestones. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes the most unexpected combinations create the most stunning looks. There are no mistakes here, just happy accidents and new discoveries. Every smudge or sparkle is a step toward finding your own style, and every look is a chance to shine brighter. So grab your palettes and glitter. Let's begin our journey into the universe of Euphoria. Get ready to shine, express yourself, and create magic with every color you choose. Before we create our masterpiece, let's prep our canvas for a flawless base. The secret to stunning makeup always starts with the right preparation, so don't rush this step. Think of it as laying the groundwork for everything that follows. Start with a clean face. Wash away any dirt or oil. Gently pat your skin dry and apply a nourishing moisturizer. This ensures your skin is smooth, hydrated, and ready to hold makeup beautifully. Take a moment to let your moisturizer sink in for the best results. Next, reach for your favorite primer. Smooth it over your face to blur pores, even out texture, and help your makeup last all night long. Primer creates a silky barrier between your skin and foundation, making everything look more flawless. Now, it's time to choose your foundation. Do you want a fresh, dewy glow or a full glam, matte finish? Pick the formula that matches your mood and the look you're going for. Remember, your foundation sets the tone for your entire makeup. Blend your foundation with a damp beauty sponge, bouncing it gently over your skin for a seamless, airbrushed finish. This technique helps avoid streaks and keeps your base looking natural and radiant. Use concealer to brighten under your eyes, cover any blemishes, and highlight areas you want to stand out. Dab it on and blend softly for a flawless, perfected look that still feels lightweight. Set your hard work with a light dusting of translucent powder, focusing on your T-zone or anywhere you tend to get shiny. This step keeps your makeup in place and prevents unwanted shine throughout the day or night. With your base locked in, your skin is perfectly prepped for all the color, shimmer, and sparkle you're about to add. A flawless base means your creativity can shine even brighter. Your canvas is now ready for the fun part. Let's get creative and bring your vision to life. Time to paint. Time to. Now for the fun part, let's make your eyes pop. This is where you get to unleash your creativity and truly express yourself. Think of your eyelids as a blank canvas, ready for a burst of color and imagination. Start by priming your eyelids so your colors stay vibrant and crease-free all day long. A good primer not only helps your eyeshadow last, but also makes the pigments appear more intense and true to color. Pick bold shades, electric blue, neon green, shimmering purple. Don't hold back. This is your chance to play with color, so choose shades that excite you and reflect your mood or personality. Sweep a pastel blue into your crease, blending upward for a dreamy, ethereal effect. Take your time blending to create a soft transition that looks almost airbrushed. Add depth with a vibrant purple on the outer corner, blending for a seamless transition. This contrast will make your eyes look bigger and more defined, adding a touch of drama. Press a shimmery lilac onto the center of your lid for that Euphoria-inspired glow. The shimmer catches the light and draws attention to the center of your eyes, making them sparkle. Brighten your inner corner with a white shimmer, and smudge purple along your lower lash line for drama. This step opens up your eyes and adds a playful editorial touch. Want a twist? Add a pop of pink to the lower lash line. This unexpected color can make your look even more unique and eye-catching. The key: blend, layer, and let your creativity shine. Don't be afraid to experiment with different textures and finishes, like mattes, shimmers, or even glitter. Your eyes are now a work of art, a true masterpiece that reflects your style and imagination. Take a moment to admire your creation, ready for the next level. Time to sparkle. Let's add rhinestones. Grab cosmetic-grade gems, skin-safe glue, and tweezers, or a wax pencil. Placement is up to you. A single gem, a floating crease, or a bejeweled wing. Let your imagination run wild. Dot glue where you want a gem, wait until tacky, then press on the rhinestone. Mix sizes and colors for extra dimension. I'm adding iridescent gems along my eyeshadow and tiny silver stars on my cheekbones for celestial vibes. Take your time and enjoy the process. This is where your look truly becomes art. Each gem is a statement of your creativity. Let your face catch the light and turn heads. You're officially Euphoria level dazzling. Makeup is more than products. It's self-expression and confidence. With every bold color and sparkling gem, you're telling the world you're unafraid to be seen. Euphoria makeup is a celebration of individuality and creativity. Embrace the transformation. Let your inner artist shine. Stand tall, smile wide, and let your look empower you. There's no such thing as too much makeup. Your face, your rules. Enjoy the process and the confidence it brings. Let your look inspire you to be fearless in every part of your life. You are a work of art. Shine bright. Now, go own your masterpiece. Your Euphoria look is complete. Now let's style and capture it. Pair your makeup with a simple outfit to let it shine, or match your clothes to your colors for a cohesive vibe. Play with textures. Sparkly tops or iridescent fabrics complement your gems. For selfies, natural daylight or a ring light will make your sparkle pop. Try different angles and expressions to show off every detail. Move your head to catch the light and let the rhinestones dazzle. Take a short video for extra magic. Share your art with the world. Be proud of your creation. This is your moment. Enjoy it. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to your own Euphoria-inspired look. Remember, this is just the beginning. Make it your own and keep experimenting. Try new colors, shapes, and rhinestone placements. There are no limits. Makeup is temporary art, so don't be afraid to play and push boundaries. Each look is a chance to express how you feel in the moment. If you don't love it, wash it off and try again. The confidence you gain from experimenting is priceless. Keep practicing, keep glowing, and celebrate your unique beauty. Tag me in your photos. I can't wait to see your creations. Until next time, keep shining and never let anyone dim your sparkle.